super amazing place. Very busy, especially in the road.
You have to be to live in the city. You got to be very wealthy because these houses and these apartments and condominiums are very expensive.
So beautiful. Night walk. Logan House Circle. Wow, what a stunning place. This is nightlife. Inside the restaurant here in Washington, D.C. Cheers! The Logan restaurant. That's the restaurant, Logan Tavern. Lots of food. That's a beautiful restaurant. Lots of people. Oh. Nightlife in Washington. Absolutely stunning. Wow. The lightings. The lightings.
Look, everybody's just out hanging out.
Beautiful place. Extremely. This is nightlife here. Amazing. Ooh, extremely beautiful. Downtown Washington, D.C. We go straight, right?
Yeah, we're gonna keep going here.
That's Holiday Inn Hotel. It's huge, gigantic. And you never see Marcia is always on video and picture. Grabe, no? In every ano talaga we have the culture, no?
Okay. Remember that we'll come up there tomorrow morning
The
for coffee.
Blue Stone for coffee tomorrow morning before going to White House. Going back to the hotel. we're staying. That's the hotel. That one, that is the hotel. Beacon Hotel. It's so long, huh? This one, that's where I stay. The hotel. Beacon Hotel. I cannot read the message. It's so that's where I stay. This is the hotel.